Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Khaled, and today we are bringing you yet another video, second video of the day. So if you're enjoying these, give it a like, subscribe for more dApps, for more ROIs that you can make money, multiple passive incomes, only here on DJ Khaled's channel. But today we're back with yet another, guys, dApp on Avalanche network. This is, I believe, also a fork of baked beans. I've made a video about cooked rice, by the way. I'm gonna leave the card in top left, top right, and this is yet another one on the Avalanche network. So if you want to go for two early, or if you're gonna choose RubyMine that launched today, if you're gonna go for an early dApp, right? I'm gonna connect to my wallet actually real quick to see what's the contract balance. Connecting this, connect. It is at 2,100, right? And if I quickly go to, yeah, actually never mind, but 2,100 AVAX, that is pretty low, guys. If I pull up my calculator, right, and I think Avalanche is roughly $82. I'm gonna put 82 times 2177. So it's literally, oh my days, it is a roughly 178,000 market cap, guys. You are extremely early into this, but as again, I made a quick research. You have to see, guys, your minimum requirement is this has to be audited. Like, come on, this is the minimum requirement, guys. You need to, step A, either make a separate wallet and connect to stuff like this, that's risky play, or step B is make sure that it is safe place to connect your wallet into. See if it's audited. You know what I mean? So it's audited by Hayes Crypto. They only put one issue, which basically says that it's an ROI dApp where your deposit cannot be withdrawn. So they found no other issues. You know what I mean? It's an official audit, so that's good to see. But if we go back to this, in the dApp, in the white paper, it's basically the same thing, guys. I'm not really gonna go through this. You know what I mean? The strategy, yeah. I mean, I'm actually interested if the strategy is the same. Let's go down. Is it page 5? Yeah, it is. So fees, yep. Strategy. It takes profits one time a week. Yeah. So basically the same thing with baked beans. So if people are disciplined, it's pretty good. You know what I mean? I'm gonna make the video simple, guys. It's an 8% a day, right? But it's better to compound at least in the first, and it's better, even better, to be disciplined with the rest of the community, because then this will push the contract balance to go bigger and bigger. Look at baked beans, it is successful and it's still growing, right? So we got 3 stuff, guys. I'm gonna leave a link to my baked beans video, top left, top right, if you want to join it. That's 3 passive incomes that give you 8% a day. 2 of them has just launched, so you can get your beginner gains. We're talking about this right now. I'm actually gonna invest my 1 AVAX. Click hire miners. It's as simple as that. And AVAX, remember, guys, you need to, well, let me quickly go here, confirm. You need to be on the Avalanche network right here. I'm gonna leave a link to, if you don't have it, I'm gonna leave a link to how to add it in the link description. It's pretty simple. You just fill in the blanks. So yeah, I put in 1. Now I have 1.68 rubies. And this is the rehire button, which is compound, which you want to do mostly in a week. And here they recommend to do it 6 times a week. And then collect, which is claim, you do it once to get your profits. You know what I mean? So you can ROI. So the earlier you are, the better. Simple as that, guys. So it's 8% a day. You know what I mean? I want to keep this video short. I like stuff like this, but again, guys, only invest in risk capital. Okay, like first of all, you don't need to invest in this if you don't feel like it. Number 2, I'm only sharing my crypto, documenting my crypto journey. So I'm actually investing in this, right? So you don't need to invest in it. But if you do, only put your risk capital that you do not mind losing. Again, nothing is guaranteed in crypto, but stuff like this, when you're early, you get that early gainers gain, guys. Like, you know what I mean? So that's why it's good. You know, some people say it's not sustainable. It's not gonna go for a year. Okay, we don't need this to go for a year. If it went for like 6 months, if it went for like 4 months, we have made money. You know what I mean? So you can still make money out of it. So anyways, guys, that's RubyMine. It's new. What do you tell? Let me know what you think of this. Let me know what you think of cooked rice. Let me know what you think of baked beans. The trilogy of making money on DeFi. Which one will dethrone the others? Now I know 2 of them are on AVAX, so technically cooked rice and RubyMine are like fighting with each other. Not for me, because I invested in both. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. My ZJ Calvin. Today, or tonight, shall I say, was a video about Ruby Mine. Let me know what you think of it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.